The Cuisinart air fryer convection oven has extra large capacity. It will allow you to air fry 4 pounds of food. You can bake a 12-inch pizza, roast a 4-pound chicken, or put 6 slices of bread in for perfect toast. I'm gonna make some russet potato fries. Let me show you how easy it is. With 7 cooking functions and easy programmability, I can take something as simple as these beautiful fries and simply select air fry, 400 degrees, and then use the timer set for 15 minutes, pop them in on level 1, close it up, and I'm off to the races. In just 15 minutes and a simple russet potato, you can have that familiar deep fried flavor like those from the chip trucks, but instead in your air fryer at home, it's much healthier and takes no time at all.